Here is an insight as we are nearing the first week of 2026. Awareness is a very important thing. Awareness is a topic that is popular, and for very good reasons, because one of the first things and most important things as we grow in this journey is to be aware, is to be self-aware, but also we have to be aware of our surroundings. So I want to talk about consciousness relating to our families, our friendships, school, place of work, place of business, place of worship, place of spiritual healing, or whatever that is important to you or that is part of your life. And let us look at collective consciousness of within those areas in your life. Are we aware of the collective consciousness that exists? For an example, in my family, within my friendships, in my circles, in a place of work, school, if you're going to school, where laukonza corner, where you worship, where you go to for spiritual fulfillment, the spaces that you find, the environments that you find yourselves in those places, within those cycles exists an energy frequency. There is a collective consciousness that exists. We sometimes maybe only focus on self-awareness, awareness when it comes to me, my emotions and whatnot, which is good. But also let us remember that we are somewhat an extension of our environments. So what is it that is my family collective consciousness impacting me positively or negatively? Am I aware of what is the general consciousness? What is that frequency that exists? Is it an energy frequency of fear? Is it an energy frequency of we can't do this, limited beliefs, doubt, not really believing that great things can happen in family? What is the collective consciousness? Are you aware of it? Take time to study the consciousness of umndeni wakho, the consciousness of your cycles, your friendships. What is it that exists? Sometimes iba underlying, but if you pay attention and you focus, you will see, okay, my cycles wami, or people that I hang around with, or my friends, this is the tone. The tone is negative, or the tone is that of criticizing, or is it a tone of empowering each other? Is it a tone of ubuntu? Is it a tone, where you saying it's your work environment? Is it an energy frequency? Is it a toxic one? What is the tone there? So that ukwazi ukuthi wena uvikele, that you can pay attention, that you can take care of your emotional safety, that you can know this is for me and this is not for me. And if I don't have a choice but to be, because family we don't choose, sometimes you don't have a choice but to be in that environment, in that business space. You don't have a choice but to be at school, but that location and that space and that environment has if energy frequency, the collective consciousness of that place is not a positive one, is not one that is empowering, is not one that is positive, is not one that is promoting growth and development, is not one right for you. And then that way, if you are aware, if you study the consciousness of all those areas of your life, then you are able to say, okay, this is for me and this is not for me. This is toxic, and how do I then behave? How do I then protect my energy as field? How do I then protect my aura? Can you imagine being at work or existing in this space and participating and playing a role in this space, whether it's a business space or wherever. But there's so much abuse, there's so much abuse of authority, there's so much disrespect, there's undermining. Imagine being part of a family angel where there's so much violence. The consciousness is that in that family, but you then get to choose how you protect yourself, your energy and your aura. And you can only do that if you are aware. Study the consciousness of the areas and the environments and the people around you, so that you can be empowered to either remove yourself if it is possible, and if it is not possible for whatever reason, or you are still working at how you can remove yourself, then you know what to do, what tools to apply to protect your emotional safety, to protect your energy, because the frequency will affect you if it is something that goes against ubuwena, so yeah, as you step out this morning, think about it, be aware, and protect your emotional safety.